That jump scare you just felt, that's exactly what it feels like when reality hits as a Turo host. Turo almost left me with a massive repair bill. For a car, I guess trash. My claim was denied because of their new, stricter policies that felt like they were designed to make hosts fail. And I have proof, but it wasn't enough. Turo sells you a dream of easy income, but there is a monster hidden in the fine print that almost cost me thousands today. And I'm going to expose those traps and show you exactly how to avoid them. Before we dive deep, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more real talk about Turo and how to protect your business from nightmare situations. And listen, everything I'm about to share comes from real experience. That's why I wrote a book starting out on Turo, because new hosts deserve everything they need to know about the truth before getting burned. The link is going to be down in the description down below. Turo promises you can turn your car into income right from your phone. But what happens when a renter damages your car or a dispute goes completely sideways? Well, today we're going to uncover damage claim nightmares, hidden fees that kill your profits, sudden account bans, and legal gray areas that hide in plain sight. Plus, I will give you a playbook to protect your investment and the tools to make you a hosting safer. So let's get into it. Damage claim nightmares, claims that can get denied. And I'm going to tell you why. Now, this is dealing with technicalities. This is dealing with missing time steps, poor lighting, photos not being uploaded in time. Now, let's talk about fees and lost earnings. Did you know over 2,200 Better Business Bureau complaints in the past 3 years were coming from hosts that complain about weak cancellation payouts, denied cleaning and smoking claims, even with proof? This is my solution to you. Track every expense, build a cleaning rapport with your vehicle before and after photos, meaning that vehicle's clean, you're taking photos. If that means you got to take a photo of the receipt at Auto Bell or whatever, do it. If you got to videotape it, do it. You want to make sure that you have empirical evidence that they cannot dispute. Timestamps, everything. I'm telling you guys, this leads into the next one. Instant bans. Turo can ban your account overnight for vague policy violation appeals, often a dead end. This is a solution that I would recommend to anyone who's hosting. Keep all communication inside the app, stay 100% compliant, document everything. So don't make any backdoor deals with these guests. These guests are not loyal to you, okay? They may say, yeah, I love your service, this and that, but if someone's cutting a deal outside of Turo and they find out, it's it. Or if you're hosting your vehicle on another platform, that's it. You don't want to get caught up in the nonsense like that, guys. So let's talk about legal stuff. Let's talk about the legal gray area. Turo fights to stay a technical platform, not a rental agency. Did you know that? Why? I know you asking that question. To avoid strict consumer protections. The solution to this is no, Turo is not your insurer. Consider third-party gap coverage for protection. We talked about that in the previous video that you'll see here soon. Now, let me break down what their protection plans really talk about. So let's dive deep into plans of the protection plan that Turo offers. All plans include 75K liability, but the deductibles that you're paying are going to change depending on what plan you have. So if you have the 90 plan, that's a $2,500 deductible. If you own an 80 plan, that's $750 deductible. If you have the 60 plan, that's a $0 deductible. What this means, more earnings equal more risk. So pick the plan that fits your tolerance. So guys, so far that we've been talking about all these things here and I've been diving deep in here. If all these details feel overwhelming, don't be stressed. I break it all down step by step in my course, CarShare Genius, at carsharegenius.com. It's the same system that I use to keep my fleet profitable, even when Turo changes the rules. How to protect your business, document everything like it's a court case. Choose the right protection plan, screen guests, avoid risky profits, know the legal options. Now, I have a question for you guys. What's the one rule that you think Turo hides from their new hosts that can make or break their success? Drop your answers down in the comments down below. I want to hear from you. Want a step by step guide to starting and protecting your Turo business? Grab my book, Starting Out on Turo. The link is going to be down below. Ready to scale your fleet and avoid these traps? Then you need to check out my course, Car Share Genius, at carsharegenius.com. And if this video helped you, smash the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out the strategy like this. And if you like this video, you need to check out this video right here where I reveal to you the top 7 Turo mistakes that cost hosts thousands. Turo can be profitable, but only if you know the risk. The dream can turn into a nightmare fast, but you have the playbook to stay in control. Till then, guys, see you next time.